So I'm gonna show you how I would like you to present your work on this specific assignment. If you notice, I'm going to do the first problem as an example. If you go ahead and copy the answer, I don't mind. It just shows that you are watching the video and making sense of it. But I'm gonna go ahead and do this as an example. So it says Derek's dinner plate has a diameter of 9 inches. And notice there's two problems. One of them says, what is the area of the plate? And the other said, what is the circumference of the plate? Now here's the thing. The circumference is actually so much easier than the area, so I'm gonna do that first. So what I'm gonna do is insert a picture of a plate that has a diameter of 9 inches. So this is my plate. Notice my line goes from one side to another, and it's 9 inches. Now, I need this information to give me the circumference of the plate. If you remember correctly, the circumference of the plate is how much it is around the circle. It's how much it is around that circle. Now, in order for you to figure out how much it is around the circle, you need to know the relationship of this diameter compared to the circumference. Now, I know I've showed this diagram quite a bit, but it's quite useful, right? This black outline is the circumference, and this red line here is its diameter. If you take the circumference and roll it out, you can stack the diameter approximately 3 times to fill the circumference. Now notice that it's not completely 3, right? There's a little bit more, but it gets pretty close. What you can do is you can add your diameter 3 times or do diameter times 3 to get your circumference. So I'm already given the diameter. In order to figure out my circumference, I need to do circumference equals diameter times 3. Again, this is not an exact answer, but this will get me a close estimate. What I want is a close estimate. So in this case, my diameter is 9. So for my answer, I'm gonna need to do 9 times 3 to get my answer. If I do 9 times 3, I'm going to use the calculator as a visual. 9 times 3, that will give me 27. So this is what it means. Because my diameter times 3 equals 27, that must mean that my circumference, or the amount of measure around the circle, has to be about 27. It's not exact, but it's a close enough answer that this is okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to give me your best estimate of that answer.